Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch the common fish in the crystal depths and fish it Roblox. So if you just reach the crystal depths and if you want to fulfill your fish index in the crystal depths in here, but you are struggling to get the common fishes. So you guys can see I also don't have this one yet, and here I'm going to show you the trick. So what you need to do in here, don't use your best rod but use your weakest rod. So as for me in here, I'm using the starter rod, the free one from Fish It. And don't forget to also change your bait to the starter rod. As you guys can see, I'm using the starter rod, and for the bait, I'm using the starter bait in here. And when you do that, you'll be spammed with the white fish or the common fishes like this. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.